welcome to How Logical, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching BIGO Live Series Part 2. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your profile picture in BIGO Live application. So for that, open your BIGO Live application. In this home page, you will see various icons below. Click on this icon below in the right that says Me. By clicking it, you will enter to this page. Again, click on your profile picture. You will be guided to this page. At the top right corner, you will see some pencil icon there. Click on that. Again, click on your profile picture and options will pop up. Here, if you want to choose the existing picture from your album, then tap on this first option, and if you want to take a photo now instantly, then click on that second option. Here I would like to choose from my gallery, so I will select the first option. You can also adjust your picture as you want. Once you are done, click on the Done option below. Again, click on that Done option to continue. And you're all done. So this is how you change profile picture on BIGO Live. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.